Hello friends, today we will do practical and learn how we can retrieve data from our MySQL table. And also in this session we will learn how we can use of clause such as select, from and where. Okay, let's go. We take an example. You can see here is showing a company. Our company name is ABC. Now we have to create a database for this company. Okay, now in this database we have to store employee information. Is it clear? So this is our employee information. So we will create database for ABC company. So to create database we will write command create database and our database name is ABC company. So we will write here ABC and press enter. Our database has been created. Now we will create a table. Before creating table we will use our database. So to use our database we will write here command use and our database name. You already know our database name is ABC, so we will write here ABC. ABC semicolon enter. And now our database has been changed. Now we will create table. Now you can see here we have to create employee table. Okay, so we will take name of our table employee. Okay, this table contain 5 fields: employee code, name, phone, city and age. So first we will create employee table. Employee table, its data type should be integer. Name data type will be varchar. Phone data type, it contain only numerical value, so we will take data type integer. City data type will be varchar because it contain only varchar value. And age contain numerical value, so we will take which data type? We will take integer. Is it clear? Let's create table. To create table we will write create table and our table name is employee, so we will write here employee. Open parenthesis. Our first column EMP code and its data type integer. Next column is name varchar, it takes size 20, comma. Next column is phone, data type integer. Next city varchar, take size 20. Next column is age, its data type integer. In this table we make a primary key. As you know, our employee code contain unique value. Okay, so we make primary key to employee code column. Primary key EMP underscore code, parenthesis close, table parenthesis close and semicolon. Press enter. You can see here our table has been created. Is it clear? Now we will insert our data into this table. you can see here we have to insert this information. Employee code 101, RAM, phone number, city and age. Okay, so we will insert this information. Okay, let's go. So to insert value, we will write command insert into our table name. Our table name is employee values. Then after we will write our values. Our first value is our employee code 101 and name is Ram. And next column is phone number. So phone number is 92140, comma, next city is Ajmer, then age, and age is 45. Close semicolon and press enter. Now you can see here our first employee information has been inserted into our table. Similarly, all information will be saved. After store data, now we will see use of clause and how we can retrieve data from table. Here we have employee table, so we will retrieve data from this employee table according to our requirement. Is it clear? Okay, let's take an query. Suppose now in this table we have to display all information. Now to display all information we will write select asterisk. When we have to display all information, then we will use wildcard asterisk. So we will write with select clause asterisk. Then which table contain this data? So our employee table contain this data. So we will write from our table name. Our table name is employee, so we will write here employee. Is it clear? Okay, let's see. Now we type command select asterisk from employee. Press enter. Now you can see here it's displaying all information. Is it clear? Now take another query. Suppose we have to display only name and city. So we need only name and city. And name and city contain which table? Our employee. So we will make a query for this. We will write in select clause we requirement, which column we requirement name and city. So we will write with select clause name comma city. Is it clear? And which contain from employee table. So we will write from employee. Is it clear? Okay, let's see. We write select, we need name and city. So we will write column name comma city. Enter. And from our table name is employee. Is it clear? Semicolon and enter. Now you can see on a screen here is showing only name and city. Is it clear? So we learn how we can use select and from clause. Now we will see use of where clause. To use where clause, we take an query. Suppose we have to display name and phone number. Is it clear? We have to display name and phone number. Now we have a condition, those employee age is greater than 45. So now you have to display only those employee name and phone number will display, those age should be greater than 45. So to make this query, we will write select. We have to display name and phone number. So we will write name and phone. Is it clear? Which contain this column? This column contain our employee table. So we will write with from clause employee. Is it clear? Now where? We already know we write with where clause our condition. So here our condition is age should be greater than 45. So we write our column name. Our column name is age. Then we will use relational operator greater than symbol and our value should be age should be greater than 45. So we will write here 45. Is it clear? Let's see. So we write query select name comma phone from employee where age greater than 45 and press semicolon. Now you can see here is showing only those employee name and phone number, those age is greater than 45. Let's check it. Is it correct or not? So we again write and make query select asterisk from employee. You can see here in age column. Okay, so age should be greater than 45. So 78 is greater than 45. Okay, so name of employee name is Saroj and phone number 81605. So here is showing Saroj 81605. It means it's correct. Is it clear? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video.